You know, when you like listen to that relaxing music from nature to go to sleep. Well, it's quite the opposite when you're trying to sleep in nature and you've got a freaking war drum band going on right next to you and lightning bolts everywhere. It's like it's daytime for like 1 second every like 2 minutes. Yeah, relaxing. I can't sleep. Thunder's too loud. I swear to God, with my luck, I'll definitely get hit by a lightning bolt. It's gonna get worse. So that's fun. I should try to sleep. Oh shit. Okay. There is a goodie. Wait, oh my God. No. Okay, man. I don't have any other wear. Remember how this fucking tent, I think, is. Yeah. That's how my night's going.